Hi there. I'm Dr. Melissa Keeley. I'm the Director of Environmental Studies and the Director of Environmental and Sustainability Sciences, which are two majors housed in the Geography Department here at George Washington University. I'm going to quickly share my screen with you so that I can talk to you about the differences between these two majors. Environmental Studies is our Bachelor of Arts degree, and Environmental and Sustainability Science is a Bachelor of Science degree. And what I'll cover today is information about those two programs specifically, but also job placement for our students. I'll talk about internships, research, and summer opportunities, and also cover how to find more information if you need it. So first, our BA in Environmental Studies is a multidisciplinary major. It allows students to take classes in the environmental sciences, but also use classes in policy, history, psychology, other types of humanities, and policy classes to think about the relationship between humans and their natural environment. So this is a very interdisciplinary major. So students in our BA program take a total of 46 credits. There are foundational courses that everyone takes, including intro classes in biology, physical geography, society and environment, cartography and GIS, and statistics. Then there are upper level course requirements. Students take a balance of what we call science classes, which are the traditional environmental science classes, and then 3 society classes, which are classes in that are more policy focused or perhaps history or sociology. And then they have 2 upper level elective classes, which can be taken either in the science or society categories. And our students also take a field methods class and a senior capstone class. So just to give you a sense of the types of courses in those different categories, science courses could include global change biology, marine ecology, or oceanography. And the list is much longer than you're seeing here and is even longer than you might see on our website because we're pretty flexible about the courses that can be included here. And society and courses include classes like urban sustainability, transportation systems and networks, or people, land, and food. So our classes are varied and students have the ability to really shape their major a lot depending on the types of classes that they take. But many of our classes feature group work and kind of real world applied projects. And we really pride ourselves in being a place where students can find community. So our BS in Environmental and Sustainability Science equips students with a broad foundation in the sciences. And I'd say the first real significant difference between the science degree and our studies degree is that students do take the intro level classes in biology, chemistry, math, physics, those types of classes that students in the sciences take. And that's important for 2 reasons. First, it opens up some upper level classes that might not otherwise be available to you if you hadn't taken that more rigorous intro level classes. And the second thing is that if you choose to go on to a master's degree in the sciences, like in chemistry or ecology or something like that, you having had this broad foundation and more advanced science classes, you're in a better position to be ready for that advanced coursework. So our environmental and sustainability science Bachelor of Science degree has 56 credits, although that includes all of the foundation classes, like the intro level classes that are required. So our students take the higher level biology introductory series. They take physical geography, they take society and environment, cartography and GIS and statistics. The last 4 classes I just mentioned are actually the same, more or less, as those of our studies program. They also have to take 2 additional course sets in chemistry, math, or physics, so 2 of those 3. Then students in our science track take upper level classes. So they need to take 4 classes in one of 2 concentrations. We have concentrations in earth and environmental systems and ecological management. I'll talk more about those in just a second. They take 2 elective upper level classes that can be outside of their concentration. They'll take a field methods class and senior capstone class. Those are actually the same requirements as the studies degree. So to give you a sense of these 2 concentrations, and again, there are more classes than on these lists. The Earth and Environmental Science track includes things like environmental chemistry, water resources, weather and climate, geomorphology. And the other concentration in ecological management has classes like conservation in a changing world, human and animal behavior, general ecology, plant and animal interactions, or biogeography. So this slide is designed to just give you an overview of some of the key differences between the 2 degrees. So while students in our BA can take either BISC 1006 or 1112. Those are the 2 different ecology options. Students in the biological in our BS need to take the entire biology intro series for major, and then need to take 2 other foundation series classes in math, physics, or chemistry. So 2 of those 3. So next, while our BA students will take a balance of 3 upper level science classes and 3 upper level society classes, our BS students choose 4 classes in one of those 2 concentrations. And actually both of the classes offer, both of the tracks offer some flexibility with 2 additional upper level classes. So that actually is a similarity, I suppose. So next, opportunities for majors. So first, our department believes that you should have the opportunity to take advantage of your study abroad programs to take things that you can't take while you're at GW. So we're pretty flexible about study abroad transfer credit coming back. Our students have absolutely wonderful internship opportunities. We actually keep track of where our students have interned, and we can share those lists, but our students have interned at the Smithsonian's, including the National Zoo, the World Wildlife Federation. They've interned with the EPA and on Capitol Hill. They've interned with the DC government in the Department of Energy and the Environment and the Department of Planning. Really amazing opportunities. There are a number of research opportunities with our faculty in the department, and our faculty takes the undergraduate experience really seriously. So there's a lot of faculty mentoring opportunities. Because you're located in the geography department, our students have access and opportunities to take GIS and spatial analysis courses, which is a really important growing field, and there's a lot of demand from all kinds of sectors with people with that skill set. And I take great pride in saying that our department offers a strong cohort experience in a medium-sized department. And what I mean by that is that we have a number of departmental events in the hopes of creating a strong community to support our students and be your first professional network. So, what careers do our students pursue post-graduation? Well, all kinds of different things, truthfully. We have a lot of students interested in environmental law and environmental policy, urban planning, environmental education. I'd also say public health is a big focus area, but also social work, community advocacy, and working for nonprofit organizations. But we have a number of students who go on to be environmental scientists or environmental engineers, work as ecologists, restoration ecologists, or field biologists. But our students do a wide variety of things. They also work for the for-profit sector, including consulting companies, work for like solar startups and green building companies. And some of our students go on to work in totally different fields, like finance, or go into the veterinary field or in medicine. So there's a lot of variety in what our students do after graduation. Finally, if you have other questions about the major or would like to meet with an advisor to declare the major, what I'd encourage you to do is go to our departmental webpage, the GW Department of Geography. And if you click on undergraduate and then undergraduate student resources, you'll find a link to our undergraduate advisors, and you can find the appropriate person to talk to. Thanks so much for your time, and I wish you good luck in trying to figure out your next steps here at GW.